Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. In this video, I am going to show you 3 different ways to use drill through in Power BI. As you can see on the screen, I have created a sales analysis report for the 6 regions. I have created few charts here. One is table, this is a pie chart and this is a column chart. On the second page, I have created a region wise detail. So here you can see this is a particular region West Yorkshire. Here we can get a detail for this particular region. Now if we want to see a detail of a particular region, okay, so we can do it through a drill through. So there are 3 different ways to create a drill through in Power BI. First method is you have to select that a particular region. Here I have selected this and just click right here, and here you will get the option like drill through and it will navigate to our page region name. Now here you can see we are getting a detail of that region, which is Great Manchester. Okay, here you can see the sales volume by year, month, sales volume by year in that particular region, and sales price by year in that region. Okay, now if you go on any other chart, now here again I am selecting this West Midland. Okay, so again I will do right click. Here I am getting the option like drill through and it will navigate to the region name. So again here we are getting a detail for that selected region. So this is a first method. Now second method is you can use the drill through button here. Now if you hover on this, you can see through to drill through to region name, select a single data point from a region name. So if I'm selecting here this data, okay, now if I'm selecting this data, now you can see it has become a yellow color, and if I'm clicking on this, it will navigate to our region detail page. Here you can see we have selected this region and we are getting a detail for this particular region, which is West Midland. Okay, so this is a second way. Third way is by using a tooltip. Here you can see if you hover on this, here you are getting drill through in a tooltip. So if I select this drill through, again it will navigate to our region. So for this region, if I am selecting, now you can see we are getting a full detail of that particular region. So these are the 3 different ways for creating a drill through. For first is to do a right click, second is through button, and third is by using a tooltip. Now let's see how we can do this in Power BI desktop. I have opened the Power BI desktop here. Let's create a report first. So this is our data. I have imported this data. Now let's create some visual here in the home gallery. First we'll create a donut chart. Okay, so let's take the donut chart here and let's add here the region name and the sales volume. Okay, let's format it little bit. Here we don't want a region, and that's it. Now let's create another visual here. We'll create the stack column chart. Okay, let's take this and go to the data here again. Here you have to select the date, then the sales volume. Okay, and then go to the build visual again, and here in the legend you have to take the regions. Okay, so here we'll take a region. Now we have created this chart. Now let's create a second page which is a detail for each region. So I'm opening the second page here. Here again we'll create some visuals. Let's create a chart here. So first chart we are going to create year wise sales. Okay, so for year wise sales, go to the data again here. We'll take a date here. Okay, and here we'll take a sales volume. Okay, so here we are getting the data. Just copy paste this. Okay, and here The build visual will take instead of month, here we'll take the month. Now let's create a third visual, which is a line chart. Let's create line chart here. Okay, we need few charts so that we'll come to know whether we are getting a detail for particular region or not. So line chart again will take the date here again. Okay, and we'll select some fields, like here we'll take a detached price, then here again we'll take this semi detached price and the terrace price. Okay, now we have created the chart here. Now we don't know for which region it is this, so we'll create a card here. So let's create a card. Go to this, create a card here. Here in this we have to give the name. So we'll go here in the build visual, and here we'll take a region name for a particular region we want. So we have to take here the region name. Okay, now this is done. Now if you want to make this page as a drill through, for that what you have to do, you have to go to the format here, and in the page information here you have to give the name for the page. Here I'm giving a region name. Okay, and in the page type, in drop down, you will click this drill through. Then second thing, you have to note that you have to keep all filters off. Okay, you don't want it. Then drill through from, so by which column you have to drill through. So here we have to add the region name. Okay, by region name we are segregating the things. So here I am writing the region name, and here region name is used as a category. So here if it is not, by default it is there. If it is not, then you have to select this used as a category. Now this is done. Drill through page is ready. You can make it, you can hide this if you want. Okay, I am hiding here. Now go to the page. Now if we select any region, right click here, and we'll go to the if you find drill through here, go to the region name. Now you can find that we are getting a particular region. Now let's check for the another region. We'll select this Merseyside. Let's right click here and use drill through. Go to the region name. Here we are getting Merseyside. So it is working perfectly. So this is the first way of creating a drill through by using a right click. Now second way is by using the button. So for creating a button, what you have to do, you have to go to the insert here. Okay, go to this add button, drop down, and here create blank. Okay, now this button is created here. Okay, now to give the action to this button, what you have to do, go to this action. Okay, make it on. Click this drop down. Here in the type you have to select a drill through, and in the destination you have to select our page. So here our page is region name. Okay, that's it. Now if you want to change the color of this, okay, so for that what we'll do, here go to the button and style. Here for disabled this is color. Okay, for default we will keep another color. For default we'll take something color, we'll make it on. Okay, and we'll take a color as this. Okay, we'll take this color, and let's check now. If we hover on this, you can see to drill through to the region name, select a single data point from a region name. So I am selecting this. Now the color is changing. Okay, select this button. Okay, and you're navigated to your region name page. Okay, so it's working perfectly. So this is the second way. For you have created the button here. So if you want to write a name for this, you can go here to the title and you can write here the drill through. Okay, so this is the second way, which is a button. And the third way is to create a tooltip here. Now if I hover on this, you can see I am getting a tooltip drill through, and I'm going to the region name, and it is navigating to the region name page. So how to create this tooltip? So for this you have to download the latest version of a Power BI. Okay, it must be after May 2021. So after May 2021 only this feature is enabled. Okay, so for enabling this feature, what you have to do, you have to go to the file here. Okay, go to options and settings. Here in the options, here in the preview feature. Okay, here you have to check this modern visual tooltip. So it should be checked. If it is not checked in your Power BI desktop, then you have to check this. Just close your desktop and reopen it. Okay, so after reopening, what you have to do, you go to here in the current file, in the report setting, you will get that modern visual tooltip here. Okay, then just check this box. Use modern visual tooltip with drill through actions and updated styling. Check this and click OK. Once this is done, now if you hover on this, here you can see you will get the tooltip, the region name, and it is perfect. Okay, so we have seen the three different ways. First way is by using the right click, okay, drill through feature. Second, by using this button, and third way is by using a tooltip. Hope you understood how to create a drill through in Power BI desktop and the three different ways of using a drill through in Power BI. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.